Good morning, students. In this session, we will study the different mechanical properties of material. Now, we will study how these properties are originated. What happens when the material is subjected or any type of load, it gets deformed. The deformation depends upon the type of load. The deformation is different for tensile load, it is different for shear load, it is different for compressive load. So, depending upon the behavior, we have derived the properties of the mechanical properties of the material. Now, mechanical properties are of two types. They are stress dependent properties and they may be strain dependent properties. Now, the first property is the static strain of the material. The static strain of the material is defined as ability to resist the stress without failure under static load. Static load means whose magnitude is not changing with time, and this property, static strain, is defined as ability to resist the stress without failure under static condition. Now, fatigue strain. Fatigue strain is defined as the ability to resist the stress without failure under fatigue loading, means variable loading. It is the ability to resist the stress without failure. If we apply the variable load, it will not fail. So, it will resist. This resisting ability is known as fatigue load or fatigue strain under fatigue loading conditions. Now, next is elasticity. Elasticity is defined as ability to regain its original shape after removal of load. Suppose this is a body and I am applying a load, it gets deformed, correct? After removal of load, it regains its original shape. This property is known as elasticity. Now, next property is plasticity. Ability to retain permanent deformation after removal of load. Means as I apply the load, it gets deformed, and after removal of load, the deformation is permanent. Suppose this is a body and I apply a load, it gets deformed, and after removal of load, the deformation retained. This property is known as plasticity. Now, next is the stiffness or rigidity. It is defined as ability to resist the deformation under the load, or it is also defined as it is the resistance of a material for elastic deformation and is expressed by Young's modulus or modulus of elasticity. Or modulus of elasticity is the measure of the stiffness or rigidity, and modulus of elasticity is the ratio of stress upon strain that is within elastic limit. So, this is about the mechanical properties that we have studied. In the next session, we will study another mechanical properties of material. Here we end the session. We will meet in the next session.